All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. All right, guys, so what's up? If you're new here, my name is Amauris Hernandez. I do behind the scenes for photography stuff and a little bit of video here and there whenever I feel like it, pretty much. My kids are here, so don't mind the background noise. I'm gonna be using one light, the Evolve Dual Twin Head, and Beauty Glow Dish 34. There's Mariel. So Mariel, say hi. Hey. If you don't remember her, check on the video right there. And goodness knows. So I'm gonna try to put my background music in the videos, so for no copyright purposes. But yeah, my wife is gonna be the video assistant today, so she's gonna be taking care of the behind the scenes. So if it's rocky and it's all over the place, you know why. We're gonna have to Photoshop a lot the floor. You guys can see the floor? It's like 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. Three. Okay, 1, 2, 3. No, I have a mic here. Oh. That's probably why you're so close. All right, we got outfit number 2. So you know what to do? All right. Dale. Por acá. So let me move the light a little bit back. Dale. One, two, three, go. You look like a zombie there. 1, 2, 3. Otra vez, because you were looking that way. Try to look. 1, 2, 3. I think I got it. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. It's just to show you what you can do with one light. A zoom lens is a plus, depending on how much space you have. You can do work with a lot. If this video was helpful in any way in having some type of setup, give it a like, subscribe. Now more videos coming soon, and yeah, peace. You recording? He's the Uncle Bob's from weddings.